Guess what? I was late for practice today, and my coach made me run laps. My dad's the coach, and he drove me there.
Well, we wouldn't have been late if I didn't have to stop at the store and buy you brand new cleats because somebody forgot theirs at home. I just gave you a chance to break them in. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Danator channel and another muffler sound test video. If you've been following my channel, you're very well aware that I do muffler sound test videos, and I'm especially excited about this one because it features Black Widow exhaust. So with the dozens of muffler videos I've been doing over the years, I get several comments asking me to try different brands of mufflers that are out on the market. So on a whim, I thought I'd get in touch with Black Widow Exhaust and see if they'd be willing to sponsor a video on this channel. They responded and said, yeah, we'd love to send you one. So I asked them if they'd send me a Venom 250 series. Let's take a closer look at the box. Again, Black Widow Exhaust, check them out online, blackwidowexhaust.com. Taking a closer look, the 250 series is good for 4, 6, 8, and 10 cylinder vehicles. It's made out of quality stainless steel. This particular muffler features 2.5-inch tubing, but it also comes available in 3-inch tubing. So this muffler's body size and shape looks like a standard aftermarket muffler. It is a stainless steel design, it's got good quality welds, but that's really where the comparison ends. There are no chambers or wing plates that would restrict the flow. As you can see with the welding marks for this patented hourglass shaped design, it is a high flow, low restriction, straight through muffler. So the difference between this muffler and the rest is on the inside. Let's take a closer look. So we'll see on the inside, the hourglass shaped plates that are in there simply have a hole in the side to take some of those sound waves and cancel them out. So it does a little bit of muffling, but as you can see, it is a straight through design, little to no restriction at all. Black Widow's unique patented hourglass design forces exhaust out at a faster rate than it enters, improving your engine's horsepower and reducing the opportunity for drone. I, for one, am not a fan of interior drone noise. I've tested dozens of mufflers, and as far as drone goes, some are worse than others. So we're going to test out Black Widow and see how they compare to the other ones I've tested. Alright, that's enough of me yapping about it. The proof's in the pudding, as they say. So we're going to slap this puppy on my 1997 Chevrolet Camaro RS with the 3.8 liter Series 2 V6 motor. It still has the catalytic converter. It's basically just a muffler swap. So if you want to enjoy all the exhaust note goodness that this muffler offers, I would suggest wearing a good quality set of headphones. So let's get to it. Enjoy the video. mellow muffler on this car. I thought it was going to be a lot louder. Don't get me wrong, it's loud when you really step on it, but at idle and low speeds, it's not overpowering. It really accentuates the deep tone of the V6. I was kind of hoping that it would really handle the rasp a little bit better. I don't know, just kind of wishful thinking. It doesn't sound as high pitched in the rasp, but the rasp is definitely still there. I mean, it's a V6 motor after all. The only thing that would really knock down the rasp would be a stock muffler, but who wants to stay stock? As far as the drone noise goes, I'm on a 50-mile-an-hour highway right here. There's virtually no drone at all. I am just as impressed with it on this car as I was my truck. There's virtually no drone in the cab. So I guess that means it's all tone and no drone. I absolutely love that about the Venom 250. So a stock setup on a V6 car, especially the F-body, it's hard to make the six-cylinder sound good. I've tried several mufflers on this vehicle, and there are a couple that sound pretty good on the car. One was a Cherry Bomb Pro, the other a Flowmaster Super 10, and now this Black Widow Venom 250. Of those three that I just listed, the Venom 250 by far has the least amount of drone in the vehicle. You'd have to have a finely tuned exhaust to get the best sound out of a V6 motor. But having said that, the Black Widow exhaust does a fine job with this car. So if you have a V6 pony car, you know, Camaro, Challenger, Charger, Mustang, I'd recommend the Venom 250 from Black Widow Exhaust. So I'm curious, what do you think about the sound of this Venom 250 on my 1997 Chevrolet Camaro RS with a 3.8 liter V6 motor? Leave a comment or two down in the comment section below. Before I forget, I'm going with a different provider for my merchandise. I've got a whole bunch of new designs, so be sure and check that out. Link in the description. Any purchase that you make there is greatly appreciated as it helps this channel grow. Again, thank you to Black Widow Exhaust for sending me this muffler. Check out blackwidowexhaust.com and all their social media. If you leave any comments anywhere on their social media, be sure and let them know that the Daynator sent you. Well, that's going to wrap it up. Again, thank you to Black Widow Exhaust. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. We'll see you next time.